Baliscate, here's the big one. Let's feel for the telluric energy. Whatever it is here, let's dip my finger in the water on it and just do a wee. Midday at Baliscate. There we are. What you see, excuse my cloutering, 3 to 5 degrees east of north. Ben Hiant, the fairy mountain, which fits the profile perfectly. So here we are, the stones of Baliscate. Here's the big one. Let's feel for the telluric energy. Oh yes, there it is. Very tangible. And it's really quite strong. It's good. It's a tangible thing, it's a real thing. What it means, I don't know. But these stones have it, and I can feel it. And so could you, if you came with me. And if you've got the right shoes on, because you'll need them, you can follow me thrice sunrise round the stones. And Ben Hiant, ancient volcano, literally formative of this landscape, but also spiritually formative of this landscape. But that's Loch Sunit, where Somerled, the originator of the Lordship of the Isles, kept his fleet of galleys and started the West Highland hybrid Celtic Norse warrior tradition. That last those lumps on the horizon is Bloody Bay, where centuries later the Lordship of the Isles ended. So here we are at the ancient chapel, the ancient kirk, the ancient church that dates from just after St. Columba. So with typical Scottish generosity, I will give them the spirit of whatever it is here. I'll give that 20p. And what I like to do is dip my finger in the water and then lift the bonnet and just do a wee. Now I'm not really a Christian, I'm not a Christian, but it kind of feels right to give a bit of respect because this is a wonderful place. There's the wall there, the outer wall, and there's another wall over there, the vallum, marking the sacred from the profane. Now that's the old door jamb to the entrance. There's the entrance. Well, there is Ben Hiant. So we're still connected to this earlier Bronze Age sacred landscapes. I hope to see you on tour, and I'll show you Baliscate.